Cheers to new beginnings. This is all white wine. Today I'm making a velvety artichoke risotto. I love risotto because once you know the basics, you can improvise, you can add different fluids. Fluids is the worst word ever. Start that over. You can add different liquids to the mixture. You can use different grains. I do recommend arborio rice. This is the classic go-to rice for risotto. It has a high starch content and it gives you that creamy texture that we know and love. I'm also using some cheese. We're using pecorino cheese. We're also using some artichoke hearts straight from the can, and we're going to start off by chopping these up into bite-sized pieces. We want this liquid. There's actually a lot of like artichoke juice in here, so press the artichokes down and let it out. Kind of like lemon juice with a briny twist. That is how I describe artichokes. It's so good. Use whatever knife you feel comfortable with. I'm using a chef's knife. These should be pretty dry. There are about 8 to 10 artichoke hearts in here. You don't want to waste any of this, so I'm just going to kind of just sliver them as such. Ooh, there's some extra juice. Blame it on the juice, baby. A lot of this recipe is going to happen at the stove, so let's go to the stove. Let me take you to my stove. You need a big pot. You don't need one this deep. This is a pasta pot, but you need something with some room. Turn that heat on. Yeah, turn the heat on. Gonna add some olive oil. Enough to coat the bottom of the pan with a little extra cushion for the push-in. You're gonna want a wooden spoon. If you need some more olive oil, don't be shy. Stock in this bowl. I'm gonna warm it up. Okay, now we have all of it. About 2 minutes on medium. Throw that butter in. I'm using cultured butter here because I think it adds a nice tanginess. My heat is on low. Now, I do not want my risotto crisping up and then that tender starchiness dries up. So that's why I keep that really low temperature. On my ladle, I'm going to use a can. Few things you can do. You can stand here and stir the entire time until it's incorporated. That is the traditional way that I was taught at all of our family dinners. This was my job. Stand and stir. Or you can do what I did last weekend, which means you stir until it's incorporated throughout the rice. It's not fully absorbed, but then you cap it with the lid and you let it sit and absorb for a few minutes, then you come back. I like to just let it hang out. More tablespoons of cultured butter. I'm gonna let it slowly melt. Salt it up. Our cheese. And we're gonna slowly fold. A little bit goes a long way, you guys. Going to try it out now. It's impossible to mess this up because it's up to your taste. Oh. And another thing you can do is also fold some spinach in here at the end, some fresh spinach or some fresh kale. So I'm gonna try that out and see how that ends up. But my risotto is done. You can dress it up, you can dress it down, you can improvise. It's pretty easy to have a good risotto as long as you put the time into it. To finish it off, this is not necessary, but you did use a lemon. Top it with some lemon zest. The essential oils in a lemon rind are so powerful. It just wakes you right up. Are you ready? Let's dig in. Woo! Oh my God, I'm so pumped. If you're making this risotto in the spring or the summer, definitely add that lemon zest. I'll see you guys later. Feel free to follow my Instagram, Dining with Skyler, and Skyler Bouchard for more food things and some behind the scenes. Also, all of my recipes are on my site withskyler.com. Bye.